Oh, hi guys! Welcome to Peyton's cooking show. Now we might not be doing cooking in every single episode, but you know, let me get my apron on. Snap! Okay, and I also want to introduce a special guest. She is my sister, Kylie. Come on up. She will be joining us later in the video. She will be our taste tester. Scurry along now. Okay, so we'll need 1 to 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's see, we have that here. Oops. Okay. We all get a little messy mistakes sometimes. They will need 1 to 4 teaspoons salt. Okay. How do you open this thing exactly? No, there we go. I think this is enough. Muffin shop. Wait, we don't need this. This was my breakfast. Kylie! Come in here. Please put this back in the pantry. We don't need that. Okay, what's in that? Just whistle. 3 to 4 cups of approximately 2 overripe bananas mashed, which we already mashed them up. So now we need 1½ cups of vegetable oil. I don't know. Sorry for a smile. So you need 1 of this and 2 of these. I need an assistant. Thank you, assistant. Don't know if that's doing it. I don't know if we were the process. And then 2 of these. Okay. 1. 2. And we're going to put the lid back on. That should be tight enough. So, 2 and 3 cups of sugar, granulated, whatever that word is. I'm still working on my vocabulary. Okay, just open that up. 2/3. Okay, first let me even that out. You might have to even it out a little bit. That should be in. So, got it right there. we're going to be needing 1 large egg, which I will have to go get. Got it. Right there. And I think we put it in this one. The big bowl. Now we need, where did it go? 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I believe we still add. Okay, so you might want to hold it over something because it comes out real fast. Okay. And, whoops. Gotta be real careful. Oh, I'm so bad at this. I'm so sorry. 1 teaspoon. Now, you put this under here, twist it to a lock, pull it down, push that forward, and I believe we do it to this. I don't know, either 1 or 2. We'll let it whisk and whisk. Okay, that's making me dizzy, so I'm going to check what's next. Until just moistened, pour 1 cup of shredded coconut. Fold in flour mixture until flour is just moistened. Okay. So this is just perfect. Okay. Now we're going to lift this at that ooey goopy stuff, and now pour this in. I need help with this. Almost. And there. Thank you, assistant. Now, into a 2. Whoa, that's way too. I think that's a 2. Now you'll fold in 1 cup of sweetened coconut flakes. Gotta be careful, you don't want to lose any. Now, if you make a mess at home, it might not be okay and it might be okay. Like, we all make mistakes sometimes. As you see, I've made quite a mess, but I had to stop because I believe I just dropped some and I do not want my puppy dog to get some. Okay, so after you folded most of it in, like this, where it's all whippy creamy in the coconuts, and you can take stuff off the sides. Preheat the oven to 350, which I already did, and then pour your lovely and sweetened mixture into the cupcake tins. Okay, voila. Now bake to 20 to 22 minutes. Oh, hey guys, ta-da! We will let it cool down a little more, then taste test. I want to test. Oh, guys, I think it's kind of good, but I put too much oil by accident. I put like way more than a half. So tune in next time for Peyton's cooking show. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you get to see every single one of our videos.